Good afternoon, students. Today we're working on page 67, okay, where we're going to work with zero conditional should, talk about results and the best thing to do. In zero conditionals, we do not use should, of course, nor shouldn't. We just copy as the previous sentences are. Now we're seeing here in the use of should. We use should to say if something is or isn't a good idea. In affirmative, is should. In negative form is shouldn't, and the verb. Here we have the verb. So, in both situations, should do or shouldn't go. In question form, should or shouldn't, then comes the subject and the verb. What should you do, or what should he do or you do, or what shouldn't you do? Can be either, okay? What should you do? Let's put it in affirmative. And now we're going to continue with the practice, exercise 4. We're going to complete the quiz questions with the correct form of the verbs. Then choose the correct answer. Most things get if you heat them. Okay? If you heat water at the top of the Mount Everest, remember we have the verb boil. So in this case, the verb goes with an S, boils. At, you not need to wear sunscreen if be cloudy. So you do not or you don't need to wear sunscreen if it is cloudy. The verb to be is. It is cloudy. If you leave, okay, so if you, with you, the verb stays as it is. You leave, he leaves. It would be, if it was he leaves, she leaves. But with I, you, we, they leave. If you leave a refrigerator door open, it, so it and the verb make will change, of course. It makes the room colder. Then you can answer your quiz now based on how you put the verbs. Okay, so we're going to continue with the exercise. That's 5 with should or shouldn't in dangerous situations. Here, the first one says, if you're in a storm, you should or you shouldn't stand under a tree. Of course, you shouldn't. 2, you should or you shouldn't use the elevator if there's a fire in the building. Of course, you shouldn't. Okay, so we're going to underline shouldn't. If you're on a vacation in the USA and you need the police, you should or you shouldn't call 911. Of course, you need the police, so you should call 911. The next one. You go swimming if you see a red flag at the beach. You should or you shouldn't go. Red flag means this is dangerous, so you shouldn't go swimming. And the last one, If you turn your hand on something, if you you burn your hand on something very hot, you should or you shouldn't put ice on it. Of course, you should. Okay, so you should. So these are your answers to each situation. You have shouldn't, you should, you shouldn't, and should. Okay, now we're going to continue with page 68, and we have the vocabulary for stretch. We'll work with these words about exercise and how we do exercise. So these are the exercise verbs, and we have these pictures, so we have to match them, okay? Hold. To hold something, this person she holds a ball. So that would be number 6, okay, is to hold. Pull. Here is to pull. That is number, well, my copy is not too clear there, but that is number 10. She's pulling something. Okay. To touch. My photo is not here clear, but the point of her fingers are touching a ball. So that is number 9, touch. Then we have her look up or look down. Look down is 2. You look down, your head is down. So that is 2. Look up would be 1. Point, pointing with her finger, that's 5. Sit down. We have 2 numbers here. That's 3 and 4. It would be 4 to go down. You sit down, you go down. And of course, stand up, you get up. That's 5. In the picture, you see her stand up, 5. Okay. Stretch. This is to stretch. They're showing you stretch out your arm in this direction. So that is to stretch. This would be number 8. And then turn. Turn, as you see the arrow, turn. So you turn her hand. Okay, that would be number 7.
Profesora, ¿puedo hacer una pregunta? ¿Por qué el 5 se repite?
5. Oh, sorry, it's 4 and 5. 1 second, let me see. It's 3 and 4. Sorry, you are right. 3 and 4. This one is 3. 3 is stand up. This is not 5. You are right. Thank you, Douglas. Let me just correct it.
Okay.
Oops, sorry. 1 second.
De nada.
Thank you. 1 second. Let me erase just that one. Let me select this one. And this is 3. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I corrected it. So stand up is 3, sit down is 4, as you have it in your picture. Okay, so we just have to fit in here 7 for turn.